In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro wireframes. By the end, you'll know how to find the wireframing tools, place ready-made components on your canvas, customize them to match your idea, and share your work for fast collaboration. First, log into your Miro account and open the board where you want to work. Give yourself a bit of space on the canvas so you can build out a flow. If your board already has content, zoom to an open area so your wireframes stay organized. It helps to name a frame or drop a quick title on the canvas so everyone knows what this section is about. Next, look to the left toolbar and click the plus icon to open Miro's content libraries. In the search bar, type prototyping and select the prototyping library. Inside, switch to the wireframes tab. This is where you'll find a collection of pre-built components like mobile screens, headers, buttons, input fields, tabs, and more. Think of this library as a fast start kit. It gives you standardized building blocks so you can focus on structure and flow instead of fiddling with basic shapes. Now, start adding elements to your board. You can drag and drop any component straight onto the canvas or simply double-click it to place it automatically near your cursor. Arrange components into rough screens or sections. Use zoom to keep a clean overview and move items with simple click and drag. If you place something in the wrong spot, undo is your friend. The goal here is to lay out the skeleton of your interface quickly, then refine it as you go. Once items are on the board, customize them. Double-click text areas to rename buttons, labels, and headings. Resize components by dragging their handles to match your desired layout. You can duplicate items to maintain consistency across screens and swap icons to match the intent of each action. Keep spacing even and align elements so your structure reads clearly at a glance. As you refine, add brief notes next to tricky interactions so collaborators understand your thinking. Finally, collaborate by sharing the board. Use the share button in the top right to choose who can view or edit. Then copy the link and send it to your team. Real-time editing makes feedback fast and you'll see changes as they happen. Encourage teammates to add comments near specific components so discussion stays anchored to the design. That's the full workflow. Open your board, find the prototyping library, drop in wireframe components, customize them, and share for collaboration. Happy wireframing!